McDonald's hash brown.
Oh.
What do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah.
I just want to get on this plane
Why?
so I can lay down.
Oh, you're laying down on the plane?
Yeah.
Oh, you have that kind of seat?
I'm very fortunate. Thanks to my YouTube subscribers.
Or thanks to your wife who pressures you into spending money.
Yeah.
That,
Fiscally irresponsible.
I am fiscally irresponsible.
All right. Hey, morning. How are you?
This is the mattress pad. I didn't think Delta One had them. I thought only Virgin had them.
We made it.
We made it after a terrible flight. Terrible flight. Brian almost threw up.
I did almost throw up. That's true. I
Let's go.
was doing this. And I was laying flat. I feel like I was on a boat. But we're here. Safe.
Breakfast at 6:51, but we've been up for 4 hours. We got pork dog, pork cutlet sandwich, egg salad sandwich, a hash brown, 2 green teas. No, Brian got a cream cheese.
It's not cream cheese. It's
waffle.
custard.
Well, I don't know what it is. They also had just like raw hot dogs already with condiments on them in packages, not refrigerated or hot, just like there, like where you would buy bread. It's interesting. One of them had spaghetti on it. I'm gonna go see Hello Kitty and all her friends. Karopi and Batsmaru.
What exactly did you order?
A whipped cream sandwich, and I don't know what.
I don't know why you ordered
I
that.
don't know what these are like little mini. The little tiny sausages.
Oh, great. I'm sure you didn't want to wait 6 more minutes to get the full menu.
We can still get that. I don't know what this is. it's a posture pal. So you sit like at your desk and it looks like this to keep you sitting up straight. And it's a claw.
Well, this is it. How you feel?
Sad.
Yeah.
Really sad, but I miss the dogs and I miss the girls. But I mean, I cried last night. Like an ugly cry.
Ugly cry?
Yeah. I'm like, you had to hold me and tell me it was going to be okay.
Are you crying right now?
No.
Okay, cool. Well, we got a couple more hours left, though.
I know, but that makes it even worse when you like
I
have
know.
a little bit of time and it's just like, okay, let's get it over with and let's just get home. I just don't want to go back to angry, mean people.
Yeah.
There's so much anger in our country all the time, and I just don't like it. It literally makes me physically hurt. Like, I had this weird stomach thing going on for like 2 months, and it's gone. My resting heart rate went down by like 10 beats per minute while we were here. I haven't had one pimple. Not one.
Yeah.
My hair is soft and shiny.
That's crazy.
I know. And they don't even have a good blow dryer here, and it's still soft and shiny. So it's like, my emotional well-being.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Bless you.